Dito na lang sa Jungle River Cruise. Ang ganda dito.
Wow, okay.
Dito na lang sa Jungle River Cruise.
Ito na yun, ito yung jungle. Well, yeah, it does look like a jungle, so... Alon, parang para sa'yo to, ah. Yes, gusto mo animals?
Oops.
Animals?
Yeah.
Ah, ba, sila Olaf na yun sa'yo? Wow.
Ay, Papa, wait. Ayun, hindi lang pala siya naglo-load.
Okay, I see something. I see something. Anak ko, super colorful na ko.
Ala, ayun si Zootopia, oh.
Ah, okay.
Kaso pipila pa.
That makes sense. Saan?
Ano ba? Yung may
Ano to? Teka. Check ko lang. I'll just check. Wow. Parang paulan-ulan dito, ah. What? Wow. No, it's raining. Oh, no. Nabasa lang ako. Nabasa lang ako. Ah, okay. Ito, riverboats.
船只要回到8分鐘後到達。Following recommend the Jungle River Cruise. Now the waiting time is 1 time to 15 minutes. And the next English boat will arrive in around 3 to 5 minutes. Thank you.
Oh, may nanunulak! May nanunulak! Aba, aba, aba! Aba, aba, aba! Ay! Ito, ito! Uy, 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 uy! No, 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 no! No, no, no! Sorry.
Ala, no, mami.
Sorry.
Ala, no, ha? Dito na?
And also keep your hand, your feet, your elbow or inside the boat. And also watch your young children, okay? Alright, let's start our journey. Let's the Tarzan tree house. Usually there's some scientists here doing some research on, but I don't know why there's no one here. Oh, maybe someone is here. Can you see that? Let's say hello to him. Hello. Oh, it's actually nobody here. Why are you saying hello? Alright, let's see. This one is the world's longest river. But don't worry, I have a shortcut. It only takes me 3 days to go for this journey. Usually they need 10 more days. Alright, let's take a look. What is it here? Can you see that? It's so not here. Can you see that? Yes, the baby and mother elephant here. Say hello to the baby elephant. I know it's so cute, right? And let's take a look at your right hand side. This one is the brother elephant. He's taking shower right now. Oh, so many wrinkles on his body. So remember, if you don't want to get a wrinkle, don't take shower, okay? And in the front, oh, it's the daddy elephant. What is he doing right now? Oh no, look at his nose. Oh no, I think he's trying to splash up. Be careful! Get them, everybody! Get them! Wow! Oh no. I think he's
Joke lang wala.
Oh, no.
I remain seated.
I think we got lost here. Oh, I haven't been to this way before. Wow, be careful! Look at that! There's a big spider here in Timor. Don't put your hand outside. That's toxic. Oh, no, one more here. Please don't put your finger outside. They're dangerous. And in the front, what can you see? What can you see?
Alam.
We'll be alright. Okay, let's go. I think we are safe now. Okay. Oh,
Feeling ko may alligator na aangat
in
dyan.
the front.
Parang
Can you
dito
see
ba
what
dapat
is in the
kayo?
front? Yes. Oh no. There's so many crocodiles here. Please remember, don't put your hand, your finger outside. They haven't eaten their dinner yet. So if you put your hand outside, you'll bite your hand. Oh, in the front, this one, finally a safe place. This one is the campsite for the scientists I just talked about. Holy, I got to get together, everybody! Wow! Are you okay? Is everybody okay?
Yes!
Okay, I can't see your face, okay?
Yes!
You'll be okay. Oh, very good.
Are you okay?
Oh, in the front, this one is the African safari. What can you see here? Yes, there's so many zebra here. Let me ask you a question. Do you know how to distinguish the female and the male zebra? It's so easy. Do you know? Do you know? No? Everybody know? It's the jungle. Be careful. Oh, no. Maybe here's the most dangerous. They are having some argument right now. Let's go. Don't bother them. Alright. Oh, what is it in the water? No, it's the hippos here. They're so huge. Please don't hit my boat. Don't hit my boat. Let's go. Wow, their ball was so big. Let's run away. Oh no, I think I saw the scientists here. Oh, they're having some trouble here. Are you okay? Are you okay? Oh, I think they're not okay. What should we do? Should we help them?
I know.
Yes? Yes? Okay, let's count. There are 5 people. I need 5 volunteers. Anyone can be the volunteer? I need 5 volunteers. You. Yeah, 1, 2. No one? No? Don't save them? Do you want to save them? All of you, exchange the seat with them. Okay, now. Yeah. No? Oh, then we just go. Bye-bye. They don't want to save you. Bye-bye. The volunteers. Oh, this area is the friendly local territory. Don't worry, the scout here is just a decoration. It's not dangerous, they're friendly to us. Just say hello to them when we see them. I think there's someone here. Hello! 안녕하세요. konnichiwa. Hello. Oh, no. Are you okay? Is everybody okay? Let's see at the back. Okay.
Okay din yung jungle
Let's see.
ng gabi.
Let's turn on the light. Okay. At the back. Everyone is here. Okay. Everyone's fine.
lang, no?
Okay. If everyone is fine, we are now getting back to the door. Hope you enjoy the journey with me today. You enjoy it? Yes? Yes. Very good. Let's get
May surprise
back to
pa
the
yan.
Oh, no!
Ah!
What happened? Oh, no! Where are we now? I haven't been there before. Oh, no, let's run away. Let's run away. Oh, our way is so how at the back. Let's leave at the back. Leave at the back.
Wow,
They're
galing.
also being go. Oh, no. What should we do? Why? It's so fire. Let's go on the fire together.
Blow!
Together. Harder.
Blow, knock, blow!
Fire is so burning.
Blow! Alam, blow!
No, thank you. You're safe now. You guys are so brave. Is everybody alright? Alright? Safe? Your family is beside you, okay? Okay, everyone is safe. Okay, let's take a look who is here. It is a baby
Alan.
elephant. Alright, it's time to say bye-bye to the baby elephant. Bye-bye. Alright, we are now you will
So
become
cute.
the gorilla, and I need to take you back to the jungle and live with the gorilla forever. Alright, let's count 3 more seconds, and I will stop my bow. 3,
Yay.
2,
That's okay.
1. Oh, no one counting. Oh, 1, 0. Alright, my bow is stopped. It's time to.
I think that's so fun. Grubby.
Grabe. Ang grabe.
This is so fun. This is so fun.
Ano nakita mo? Anong animals nandun? Anong animals nandun? Ano yung animals?
And the most is so funny.
So fun. Ay, sabi na mag-enjoy sa mga animals eh. Good choice with the jungle.
Funny.
Little one enjoyed the animals. Gabi, maganda yung experience actually yung gabi.
Oo, no?
Kasi yung fire makikita mo, tapos yung...
Pero may init talaga siya, no?
Oh, ang galing, ang galing. Sobrang timing yung mga ano natin.